If you need to extract a lot of information, precise information from a huge amount of text, but your LLM, GPT, or whatever is not doing it correctly, missing some information, giving wrong answers, you can watch this video. I am AI research scientist at Beam AI, where I automate business processes with AI, and I deal with these problems on daily basis. So I will show you how I solve this problem in particular. Here we have a huge amount of text. This has 44,000 tokens, 190,000 characters. This is whole Wikipedia for psychology. And in there I have two random sentences. Steve has 83 bananas and Mike has 54 apples. But it's just important that Mike has apples, and that's what you need to know. So here I want to ask a question. The question is, what does Mike have? Choose from the following: grape, banana, orange, mango. There is about 20 fruits, and there is also apple. This is a very common case in business or anywhere where you extract some information from a huge amount of text. And this is actually a bit of confusing question as well, because what does Mike have and then choose from the following? LLM is not so good at this. So I'm using GPT-4o mini, and the prompt is find the information in the long text and answer the following questions. There is just one question: what does Mike have? So if I run this, it's gonna say that Mike has 54 bananas, which is wrong. And no matter how many times I run this, it's gonna always say Mike has 54 bananas. This because LLM is getting confused for some reason. I don't know why, but I just found this example. But this is what happens in real cases as well. Either answers are incomplete, incorrect. So there is actually a very simple way to solve this. So we get Mike has apples, which is a correct answer. So you just need to give LLM reason or time and tokens to reason. So before I show you how to solve this, I want to say why I'm even making this video. So we had some example in my company Beam where we have a lot of text, and then we need to extract a lot of data points. And the way we did it previously is we just wrote a huge prompt of all of the questions and data points we need to extract, which didn't work. So we found that if instead of writing a huge prompt for all of the and stuffing all of the information necessary, we just go information by information, one by one, separate everything, all questions, and then pass the whole text and just this question for this exact piece of information. So we just separate all of the pieces of information and into each LLM call. So just one question. And also, so this could be an example. So we just looking for like, what fruits does Mike have? And we also found that we also need to give LLM like ability to reason. So I'm gonna add this part of the prompt: find first reason step by step and find all references where information about this question could be found. It could be referred to with synonyms, different information that might indicate the answer, but is given in different words. Find all references that could indicate the answer, then write your conclusion after. If I go ahead and run this, we're gonna see that now it's gonna consistently first output a lot of reasoning text, and then it's gonna give correct answer. Mike has 54 apples. So we can just tell it to output this in JSON format, in whatever at the end, doesn't matter, but now it's gonna output correct answer. So the conclusion is, do not write a huge prompt with all of the questions. Separate them one by one, question by question. For each question, pass the entire text and just that question. Make the question as clear as possible and tell the AI that to look for synonyms, similar words, explanations that might just indicate the answer, and let it reason.